Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Hey everybody, this is the digital asset investor. It has happened. Coinbase.com has officially added XRP. XRP, this is from Coinbase's Twitter feed. XRP is launching at Coinbase.com and in the iOS and Android apps within the next 15 minutes. You may need to update your app to properly buy, sell, or convert XRP. We will update when XRP is fully live, and it links to their blog starting today. Okay, that's what I just read. Coinbase XRP will be available for customers in most jurisdictions, but will not initially be available for residents of the United Kingdom or the state of New York. XRP is the cryptocurrency used by the XRP ledger, which supports international currency exchange and remittances. The ledger is powered by a network of peer-to-peer servers. All accounts on this network can send or receive XRP to from each other, while XRP can be used to send underlying fiat currencies between two parties. In this way, XRP can function as a bridge currency in transactions involving different currencies such as US dollars, Japanese yen, euros, francs, and others in use on the XRP network. One of the most common requests we receive from customers is to be able to trade more assets on our platform. With the recent announcement of our new listing process, we anticipate listing more assets over time that meet our standards. Well, go Coinbase, go. I'm the digital asset investor. I'm not an investment advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please subscribe and hit the like button and tell your friends and family that finally XRP is on Coinbase. Thank you for listening.